Brothers Grimm, just to touch on it very quickly, it was the first time you used a CG?
No, I've been using CG for a long. I have my own effects house that does this, but I disguise it so you don't notice it. The best CG work, the best effects work are when you don't notice them. 12 Monkeys has got, it's got giraffes running around the place, but they're not there. They've got lions and things. But they're well done. What happened on Brothers Grimm, I was trying to originally do it in a much more old-fashioned way with maquettes and physical things, but the effects company that was on board didn't come up to scratch, and so we ended up having to do far more CG work than originally intended. And I got to be much more of a fan of CG work. I learned how to disguise it even more. The problem with CG is because you can do anything now, the trick is not to do everything. Try to hold back and use it carefully. And I think I did. I think. I got to tell you, this is good. I keep flashing into that lens with my watch. I just noticed it's really good. Some good effects, yeah. We got, when the film came out, I read quite a few reviews saying that they thought the effects were rather cheesy, not particularly good. And I kept hearing this, and I was getting more and more, because with every effects film, there's always going to be X number of shots that don't really work properly. You can do it in any film. And I know where the ones that don't work are. But generally, there's 500, I think there's more than that, there's 700 shots in there. And I was getting very tired, and I was at a film festival last year, and a journalist said, the effects in Grimm, what happened, what went wrong? I said, okay, I've had enough of this. What are you talking about? I want you to name one specific shot so I understand what you're talking about. He said, well, there's that scene where Matt's got that big frog or toad and he's licking it. I mean, it's a terrible CG frog. I said, no, that's a real one. The poor guy died. I mean, he just shriveled up and died at that point. So that's very weird. People seem to be experts, but I don't know what they're talking about half the time. But anyway.